All right. So this is the design that I've been fiddling around with. I'm gonna turn this into a website. I use this using Figma, and the idea is that it's gonna be a very responsive portfolio website, very basic. So you can see there's a heading with my picture. A CTA, there's my passion projects there, some testimonials of kind people that I've met in my life, and a little about section, and then a contact form. And then there's a footer. This obviously is a work in progress, so better done than perfect. All right, I've built these 3 main views thinking of Tailwind, because that's the CSS framework that I'm gonna use today. And so here it is, Tailwind. And if we go to the container, you can see that those are the breakpoints that I've been considering for my design. So the main ones is the middle one for tablet and large for desktop. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Nuxt, and then documentation. I'm gonna use npm. Cool, and then I'm gonna open my item. Where am I? Okay, so let's go to desktop. I'm gonna make a new directory here. Cool. Set dev. And then cd into say dev. Cool. And now I'm gonna paste. Oops. Project name. Jose Dev. As easy as that. Yes, please. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I'm gonna use npm. And then TailwindCSS. I do want Axios. Yes. That's it. I do want slint and I do want pre-tier. Alright, let's do just universal. Static. I don't want any of that. Any of that. Git for sure. All right, so this is taking a while. Let's just create this thing here. And then another desktop over here. And in the meantime, actually, I'm gonna go into that, and then I'm gonna go into that, and then I'm gonna close that, and I'm gonna put this over here. I'm gonna close that, and that it's being built. Awesome. And I'm actually gonna make that smaller. I'm gonna detach that, and I'm gonna put it. Oh wait. I'm actually gonna maximize this thing, and then I'm gonna put that. How do I do this? There we go. I'm gonna move this over here and this one over there. Cool. How is this going? almost there. What happened with the terminal? And then I'm going to go to cool. So I'm going to create a new branch called development. Cool. Awesome. All right, so to get started, npm run dev. I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I might do it here actually. It's because cool. And all right, great. So where is the? I'm just gonna copy that manually, and then boom. Cool. Welcome to your next application. We recommend you take blah 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 blah. Cool. All right. So index. Where are we? Tutorial. No, I don't want any tutorial. Bye bye. I don't want that Nuxt logo either. Move to trash, and then here we are. I don't really want that, so I'm just gonna say hello world, save, and that should work. There we go. Cool. All right, awesome. So first of all, I'm gonna create the header section, the homepage. Yeah, and for that I'm gonna create a component. It should be a section really, whatever. New file, header, .vue, just to make things simple. All right, and now I'm gonna go view to change these from 4 to 2. Cool. All right. So I'm just gonna say for now, this is a header. Save that. Actually, I need to give this a name. So this is this is going to be header. And then in the index, I'm just gonna call that component header. And then import header from so that's gonna be components header.view. How's that? Oops, I need to declare this here. So I'll just give it a name to this. Well, I don't really think I need this, but anyway. And then components, I'm gonna say header. Cool. And that should work, or maybe not. So what if I do components? Okay, so now that I've showed you how to import and export a component on Nuxt and Vue, let me tell you that I won't show you how I did everything. Instead, I'm just gonna give you the link to the repo so you can copy, use, or do whatever with the code. And yeah, I just pretty much fast forwarded a bunch of stuff, and yeah, so I'm almost done with the styling really. I've got my header, passion projects, some testimonials, the about section is also there, and the contact form, just basic styling because it's not working at the moment, and I'm yet to build the footer as well. That's not there. So all that I've said is just there in their separate components, easy to maintain. And I've also created a navigation, which is this bit at the top that goes across every page of this site. I've also twisted a little bit the layout of this design, not too much. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the workflow that I use. So normally, keeping with the example of the header, for example, this H1, if I want to know how much spacing do I need to give it below this image, I would click on this H1 text element, and then on my keyboard I would hold the Alt key and then hover on whatever element, and then Figma automatically gives me the amount of pixels. So that's 18. At the bottom we have 30, and then if I click on this bottom, for example, and then press that button, Alt button, and then hover on every edge or other element, it's gonna give me the distance, which is very handy. So that number 40 there is what I would use here in the header component, just to give this some styling. So that's one thing. Another very, very important thing that I have to say is that I have used a feature called JIT from Just in Time, which is in preview mode, so probably not suitable for production sites. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. You just add that line there, and then yeah, it comes with purge, and also you don't really have to declare many spacings or custom colors here. Instead, you just, as I said, add that line, and then you can do something like adding brackets there with a hex color, which I've done, and also some spacing in pixels, which is pretty incredible. Yeah, so that was very handy just for creating a scaffold and styling very quickly. I might change this later on because, as I said, I don't think it's suitable for production. Instead you want to give some REMs instead of pixels, but yeah, it's good for now. And now what we're going to do is that we're going to make this work, hopefully. So I've done some research and I found this get form IO thing. Well, I found a bunch of them, but this looks really cool. So basically it allows you to generate an endpoint form. And it also comes with a basic CRM, and you can also do webhooks and a bunch of other stuff. ReCAPTCHA, that's good. Slack integration, spreadsheets, which is all great. All right, so I'm just gonna follow the flow here. Zero value, and then okay, so I think I have verified my account, which is great. All right, so I'm gonna create an endpoint, and this is gonna be Jose Dev contact form. Time zone. Plus 10, where are you? There we go. Plus 11 with daylight savings. Waiting for first submission. Great. Form endpoint. Okay, places you're on the account attribute. Is that it? Oh, that's great. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this, and then I'm going to, where is my code editor here? All right, so I'm gonna open this up. Right, okay, so where's that button thing? Forgot now. Speak soon. Oh yeah, no, this is not what I want. Oh, here it is. Okay, cool. So this is going to be the form. Oops. So this is going to be the form, and then I'm going to change this up here. Yep, and I'm going to get rid of this div, and this is going to be a form tag now. Okay, so I got my form there, which should look just the same. And then what do I need? This input type and name. Okay. So your name, that's going to be, is it type text? Oh yeah, cool. So that's that. And then email, it's going to be type email, name email, easy. Text and message. Oops. Okay, something weird is happening here. Just clicking the wrong button on my keyboard. Yeah, and then name, what was it? Message. Yep. Checkbox handle. Don't really want that. And button type. Type button. No, type submit. Submit. I don't want any of that. To handle for checkbox, handle the radio, blah blah blah. Yeah, that's fine. Basic. Ooh, Axios. This is what I want, actually. This is exactly what I want. So I'm just going to copy that out. Cool. All right. So now, yeah. So basically, if I leave this like this, it should work. Actually, why don't we just give it a try? Peter Tester. Oh, that's not good at all. I need to fix that. And then my email would be, well, let's just do that for now. And then this, oof, that's not good. Okay, send a message. Well, that looks pretty promising. Back to previous page. Maybe in my dashboard somewhere in here. Oh, there we go. Peter Tester. Beauty. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Cool. Yeah, so git add. Oh, first just start it just to see what's happening. Okay, git add. And then git commit. Insert get from.io. Cool. Okay, again, so I didn't want to show you that, but I spent some time just improving the style of this, because now you can write at the very top. For example, you get these placeholders, and there is some spacing in regards to the edge of this input. So basically, I just added a bunch of styles there and up here as well. And yeah, and that's it. I just didn't want to bore you with that. Also, I've created a footer, as you can see down here. Yeah, so now you can see how this thing is actually. I put some emojis there and I changed some styles. Not too much. I added those SVGs there, those links. Yeah, that's that. Okay, so yep, I think we are ready to deploy. And last thing I did was that I run npm run build. And while that's working, to say that I was just getting ready my server, hosting service. All right, cool. So it says ready to run Nuxt generate. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Nuxt. No, wait, what is it? Nuxt generate? No, npm run generate. Actually, I should have tested first with npm run start. Maybe I should do that. But anyway, should have a new directory here. There we go. Where is it? Dist. This is exactly what I was looking for. Great. Yeah, this is all we need. That's the index. Perfect. All right, but just to be sure, I'm gonna say npm run start, and this is gonna run the production version of it. Same port. All right, that looks okay. That's good. All the images are there. SVGs are there. I guess this should be good. Yeah, no, that's fine. What about this bit? Yeah, that's all good. All right, cool. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to go to my cPanel. Yeah, so I don't really like Bluehost. I mean, it's good for WordPress sites. That's great. But normally I would go with Heroku. But yeah, I was just showing my brother how to install a WordPress site from scratch in Bluehost. And I accidentally signed up for a year plan. So I might just use this. So I clicked on File Manager that opened this bit here. And now I've got my public HTML. That's where I'm at now. And I'm going to click on Upload. And then I'm going to select File. There's this folder. No, I reckon I'll have to... where are you? All right, so that this folder I'm just going to compress. Yep, that's good. And then select that file. It is uploading now. Sweet. All right, go back. And there it is, the zip file, which I'm gonna extract files. Yes. And now, I'm not sure if this is gonna work. No, I actually think I need to, well, select all and move them to public HTML. So now, yes, there you go. Ooh, that is taking a bit too much time because they are very large images. That was a mistake. Not too bad. Anyway, so if I go back to public HTML, yeah, so this is my site. I don't need this. No, oops, don't need this. So I'm just gonna delete that. How do I delete that? Because I just have to click there, confirm. And also this is empty, so I don't need it anymore. Confirm. Good. All right, there we go. Why is this taking so long? It's okay, we're live. We are live. Awesome. That's working. But if I have refresh, those images are taking way too long. And I wonder why. But well, at least we are live. And to be honest, I'm more concerned about the HTTPS thing, which I'm gonna do. I'll have to do some research. Okay, cool. So it worked, and I just followed this very easy tutorial. So from cPanel, I just had to open the file manager, then settings, show me all the files, including dot files. I mean, those are the hidden files. So that then I could open the, where is it? The htaccess file. And basically then I copy and paste this and put it at the very top, and it didn't work. And it says, if that doesn't work, you can try using this one. And I copy and paste this one, and I changed that for Jose Dev, obviously, and saved, and then checked that everything was working, and it was. Oh, there we go. That's what it did. So I just added those 3 lines, click Save Changes, and boom, it's working now. So if I click the here and change it to HTTP, enter, it should force to, it is not, there we go. It just reloaded the thing. Cool, and this is bothering me because it's really slow. So if you go to network, see what's going on. Where is it? Oh, just all. Oh, that took so long, hey? Look at the waterfall here. Is it possible? Oof. Look at those are still pending. Alright, I might have to move those images to an S3 bucket, CloudFront or something like that. Because this is really, really slow. Okay, great. So I found this great article, SEO and Performance Optimization with Nuxt image. Great. So the first thing we need to do is to install this thing. Like so. Oops. Let's stop that. Boom. And then it says that if the project is starting static, then I need to add it to build models. So mine is targeting static. So obviously I'm gonna add it to the build models. Like so. Save that. Great. And now what we're gonna do is run dev. Great. And also I should, what do we have here? Well, if I can type. Okay, so damn it. Okay, so all these things have changed, and I'm gonna add them. And I'm gonna say install Nuxt image. Cool. And then so basically the quick win is to change the image tag for Nuxt image, which is what I'm gonna do right now. All right, great. So I'm just gonna click for image. So there's 4 instances where I'm using that. I'm just gonna go with the header so we can test that everything is working fine. So I'm just gonna change that for that. And then I'm gonna okay, so that didn't work. Very interesting. I wonder where this guy put the images in static. Okay, I see. Yeah, actually, I think that's a way better approach. So I am going to do the same thing. New folder, images, and then these avatars. I'm just gonna copy that over. I'm gonna paste it there. Yeah, so now if I say that, is that what he did? Yep. Save that. Yes, did work. Very good. Okay, great. The other thing that I'm going to do is to add the lazy load, which is something that I'm not going to do for the header image, but there is this sizes thing with these prop sizes, which I think it's very logical. Okay, so this image has a breakpoint of width of 2212. That's its size. And then medium, same thing. And then in large, 350, we'll say. 350. And then I'll get rid of this because we don't need it. Cool. Oops. Yep, that's good. All right, so I'm just gonna add that just in case. Okay, and just to be clear, I have also replicated the same approach to the images in the testimonial. So this image used to be an image tag, now it's a Nuxt image, and I've also added the loading lazy prop. Yeah, so I did that for the testimonial card, also for the about section for this Rubik cube thing. It's just there, and also for the projects, which is up here. It's the same thing. Yep. So now I'm gonna go and say run build. Okay, something's happening there. That's good. Great. Now I'm gonna say start. Okay, that's good. And yep, that's all looking good. Great. So now we're gonna do generate. And that should bring me a new dis folder. Yep. Yeah, look at that. It created so many images. Nice. So I'm going to compress this again. Cool. I'm going to do web.dev to test my site. dev.com.au, run audit. It's going to be horrible, and meanwhile we're going to do yep. So I'm going to say upload, select file, this is there, and what do we have? Horrible numbers. Performance 89, best practices 87. This is not good. Yep. So the highest recommendation or issue is in regards to properly sized images. And that's what we're gonna do now. Oh, reduce and use JavaScript. That's an important one too. We might need to use purge CSS. That's all right. Okay, so that's up. So if I refresh this, wait, what? Oh yeah, of course, I don't want to download that. I just want to extract everything. And that it? Oh yeah, well, I have to move this over. So select all, move them over to public HTML. What? All right, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. Yes, and also I don't want that. So delete. And these should be faster now. I'm gonna have refresh with Command Shift R. Oh my god. Why is that? Oh my god, that's horrible stuff. Really, really bad stuff. 89. Okay, well, what about now? What? Even worse? Jesus. Okay, so given that the Nuxt image didn't work as expected, I went and resized all of the images. Where are they? I resized all of the images and then where are they? Here. So you can see now that they're all very small and they're in WebP format. Same with the avatars. So obviously by doing that, now everything is broken, as you can see. So what I need to do is, first I'm going to change all those PNGs for WebP. Yeah, that's that. And then that one too. So yeah, that's fine. And now I'm going to change all those JPEGs as well. And that should do the trick. Now, what happened with the header? Now there we go. Dot WebP PNG. Okay, no more PNGs. So that should be working. Yeah, all good, great. So now, just git add, git commit, resize, and reformat images. Boom. All right, and now we're gonna say npm run build. Okay, so that's taking a while. right, cool. And now, just to be safe, let's do npm run start. Oof, it's not good. Ah, okay, cool. So npm run generate. If I can type npm. Alright, that's taking a while now, and that's done. Cool. So now we're gonna do npm run start. I'm gonna refresh these, and yeah, everything looks alright. Cool. Alright, sweet. So if I go to dist, then compress this. Sweet. I wonder if I can just drag this here. No, it didn't work. Oop. Didn't mean to do that. So, public HTML. Upload. Select file. Where are you? This zip. Cool. I really hope this works, hey? And if it doesn't, it's gonna be good enough for now because it's getting late. Alright, beauty. So, if I refresh this, why does it always take me there? Alright, there's my dist. Extract. Beauty. There it is. So select all and move that into public HTML. Great. And now delete that. And also delete that. And now it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna hard Command Shift R, hard refresh. Jesus. I mean quicker, for sure. Still it took some time. Not too bad, but some time. But yeah, I mean, it's way better. And now if we go to web dev, dev.com.au. Actually, I'm just going to do that. Okay, so that's way better now. Way better. Okay, so there's one thing that is actually bothering me a lot, which is this bit. I'm still using the Favicon from Nuxt. It's the default one, and I want to change that. So what I did is basically on Figma, I just whatever, I just created that text out of my pseudo logo or something. And then if you go to design, scroll down to export, it gives you the ability to export it as you want. So I'm just gonna say, yeah, just PNG, just to try it out. And then I'm just gonna save it there. And then if I go to this website, select your Favicon image, and then desktop, there it is. Well, I'll change its name later. Your Favicon is not correct. It should be at least 70 pixels tall recommended. Your picture is only 41 pixels tall. Okay, no worries. Let's create a new one. So let's hope that's enough. I reckon it will. So design, export. Let's save it as that. Wait, what? Oh, that's silly. What am I doing? Favicon. it there, and this can go home. Okay, cool. So now, select your Favicon image. There we go. So what I want is a .ico. Yeah, continue. Yeah, that's all right. Cool, cool. Yep, generate, whatever. Keep going. What's happening now? Right, okay. Favicon package. Okay. Favicon package, okay. I just want that, yeah. What's all this stuff? Right. It comes for every different device. I mean, browser, yeah. But I just want that, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'll grab this, move it over to static, is it? No, assets. No, static. There we go. Replace, please. Beauty, okay. So now, if I... Oh, it didn't work. Because this is the production version. So if I go npm run dev. No. There we go. There it is. It's hard to see, but whatever. And that's it for today. Oh yeah, I just want to add the Favicon. Git commit, change Favicon. Git checkout, no, git clean. Git status, good. All right, awesome. I got my portfolio website up and running.